Spring project. Okay, so when we start the Spring STS, we'll see this window. So to get started, we can create a Java project or Spring Starter project. So I'll be going with to create a Spring Starter project. Okay, so here we have multiple options. Okay, so we can give a name for this project. I'll give a sample, and the type here we are creating a Maven project, the packaging Java or language Java, Kotlin, Ruby, and the Java version also we can specify here. So I'll give this as 17, and I'll give the group name is something like you can give anything. So this is also you can give anything for artifact, and description also demo project for Spring Boot packages. I'll give a sample. Okay, so here we are done with this. If we click next, here we are gonna import the dependencies that we are gonna need in our project. So if it is a web project, we need something like Spring Web. You see here, right? If you want to use a database, something, there is a thing. Don't worry about this. It's like this one. Like if you want anything you want to use in your program, you can just search here and just import it and then click on finish. Okay, so this will create a project for us. It will take some time to import those dependencies in our project. So let's wait for the project to build. Okay, so guys, so it's finished building. So here you can see this boot option enabled here, and if you go you can see the packages and simple Java application, and here you can see a lot of files. Don't worry about that. So this is the main file, main package, where you have all the application files. So resources is like a external property. So here you have application properties, right? If you open this, okay, so here you can see you can just specify what the property is. Like if you are connecting to a database, you can specify the database name here, type here, like that. It is like a properties for this application. Okay, so test Java is like used for the testing purpose. JUnit we usually use for JUnit testing. And here we have Maven dependency. So this all files which are required for this project. And the another main thing is the pom.xml file. So this is like a main file in an STS project. Okay, Spring project. So if we open that, here you can see an XML file. So this is like a main. So here we have the Spring Boot starter parent and version and sample which we have created, demo which Java version, and as you know we have imported starter web and h2 database when we creating the Maven, right? So all this configuration, like this is a main file. You can also, if you want to include any other dependency, you can just come here and just import whatever dependency you want. So this is why you use the pom.xml file. This is a very important file. Okay, so we will try to run this program. Okay, so this is the main file, which is sample application.java. So if I open this, you can see a class sample application which is annotated by. So this is called as an annotation. In Spring projects, we usually have this type of annotation. There are various annotations. Okay, so these annotations are used to like specify the program. Okay, so like we can specify using various annotations as various functions. Okay, so Spring Boot application means this is specifying that this Java class is a Spring Boot application. That's it, no other than that. So here we have the main class, and inside main class, so let's create a let's just print something on the screen. Okay, dot I'll just print hello world and I'll just save it. And on the here you can also run this application by right clicking on this application and just going here, run as, and then Spring Boot app. The below you can see problems, Java doc, declaration. So this all the, if you have any issues in the program, it will display here. Like okay. So here you can see the console. So just ignore this. So if you see here, it's the application is starting. So here you can see hello world is printed, and here you can see started application in 13 seconds. Okay, so this is how you create a simple Spring application for the first time. This is like a basic application. Okay, usually we don't use this kind of application. We'll be having a many classes and files. We'll usually build a large big application. Okay, so the application is running, right? So to close this application, to stop this application from ending, you can just go here, you can see stop sample application. If you click it, this will stop the application. And if you want to rerun this application, you just can just click relaunch here, and it will just relaunch the application as before. Okay, here you can see the Spring is starting. It started in 6 seconds and hello world. Okay, okay guys, this is all for this video. If you have any doubts, just leave in comments. Hope I'll see you in next video.